In the prior video, we reviewed financing and adders. In this video, we are going to go over how to convert a lead to a project. If a proposal has completed all the required slides and is ready to sign documents, you must first convert a lead to a project. There are two ways to convert a lead to a project. From Aurora, you can start this process with the Exit to CRM button. This button really means start converting a proposal to a project. You can also convert the lead in the Freedom Lightspeed portal. Let's go there. Have two tabs, going to the Freedom Lightspeed portal. This is the same lead in Freedom Lightspeed. You can always click Check Status to pull the most recent information from Aurora. At the bottom, you can choose Convert to Project to start converting the proposal. Either method you choose takes you through the same Convert to Project process in the Freedom Lightspeed portal. This Convert to Project process does some initial validations. Let's close this. I still have Aurora opened up in the other tab. The software will do a few types of validations. The first set of checks will block you if you have critical things missing. Let me show you a demo I recorded earlier. I've generated a lead to show you what an error looks like. This proposal has missing information. All of the information is not filled out. When I click Exit to CRM to convert to a project, there is missing information in my proposal. Clicking this takes us back. Now I'm in another project. This is just an example. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to make an error on my proposal. I've chosen two Vivint packages, which is incorrect. When I go to sales mode and when I choose Exit to CRM, it lets you know that there are some known errors. This validation process is not perfect, but will help you avoid some issues. Going to the finance screen. One thing the software does not verify is if you have run the soft credit check Apply Now button. If you forget to click the Apply Now button and convert to a project, it would probably be faster to start a new lead and generate a new proposal before you call Aurora to get help to get back to this proposal. Let's click Exit to CRM. If there are no initial validation issues, when you start the Convert to Project process, it will display a Review Proposal Details page, which allows you to review adders, review financials and net price per watt, and will review things such as costs for the customer. If an edit is needed, you can click Edit Proposal Details. I'm going to click this button to show how it goes back to Aurora. This will open Aurora in yet another tab. I'm going to close Aurora and be back on the screen. Now I'm going to click Confirm Proposal Details. All this does is close the review screen. If you exit and come back, that review screen would show up again. The next steps vary based on what you have chosen in Aurora. This screen helps you select the areas that the battery will back up. I'm going to add one more battery. This screen will also help you with errors, helping you choose the correct number of batteries compared to adders selected in Aurora. When there's a detected difference between the original Aurora proposal and what is on this battery page, the software gives three options. The first is go back to the storage guide screen and allows you to change the number of batteries. The second option allows you to keep the number of selected batteries. The issue with this scenario is the customer is not paying for this battery in the proposal. This will lower your price per watt, which affects your payment. You can see that the Aurora proposal has one battery selected and the storage guide has two selected. Down below, you can see how the net PPW is affected. Clicking Next with this option allows you to move forward with this PPW. The third option allows you to go back to the Aurora proposal to include more battery adders. There is also a back button that takes you back to the battery storage page, taking the number of batteries down to 1 again and clicking Next. The next page verifies the Vivint smart home package you want. In this scenario, I am verifying that I do not want a smart home package. Clicking Next. This next page, you need to fill out information such as HOA, utility company, matching sold production or sold layout, and allows you to add special requests. Clicking Next. The last page shows you the required documents that will be sent out. It also gives you a chance to upload the utility bill and other files at this point in time. Once I click Send Documents and Exit, the conversion process will be complete. At this point, the homeowner will also receive documents to sign in their email. The sales rep also has a document to sign. Let's go over where to look to check the status of documents. On the Sales Actions tab, you can see the status of the homeowner's documents that need to be signed. After the customer signs their documents, make sure you do the Mosaic Financing Welcome Call with the customer. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the Project Details tab and the Scope of Work tab. One of the nice features on the Scope of Work tab is the Compare Versions button. This allows you to compare the current scope of work to the original proposal that was made in Aurora. Any differences in adders or cost will show here. You can click back to exit or click out here to exit. In the next video, we will go over the documents that are signed by the homeowner and show what those emails look like. And we will also go over the sales rep document that needs to be signed.